With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, here the question is 23 workers in a factory put in 862.5 hours of work in a week consisting of 5 working days. How many hours did one worker put in each day? Clear? So here question is 23 workers in a factory do a number of hours, that is here 862.5 hours for 5 working days. So here work number of hours in 5 days is equals to here 862.5 hours. Clear? So here number of hours in 1 day is equals to 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 1 carry 2 is 16, that is 1 7, 2 6 is 12. Here 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 1 carry 2 is 16, 17, that is 1 7 2 4 plus 5 1, that is 4 plus 1, that is 5. Clear? So here now by 2, so here divided by 5, so here 5, so here we get 5, here 3 2 4 5. Clear? So here 2 4 5 by 2 hours. So here number of hours in 1 day is 2 4 5 by 2, that is 345.5 hours. Clear? So now we have to find how how many hours did one worker put in each day. Clear? So here we see that 23 workers do a work in 1 day, 245 by 2 hours by 2. So here one worker suppose do X hours. Clear? So here we see that 23 workers do this hours and we have to find one in how many hours. So here we see that if worker get decreased, then hours is also get decreased. So here it will get divided. So here 23 by 1 is equals to 345 by 2 by X. Clear? So now here we get 23 X is equals to 345 by 2. So therefore here X is equals to 345 by 2, that into 23 is equals to here 23 1 the 23 and here 23 1 here 23 here 5, that is 23 into 15, then we get here 345. So here we get 15 by 2, so here we get 7 14, 7 the 14 and here 1 and half hour. Clear? Therefore one worker, here we write one worker do 7.5 hours. Clear? So here this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.